best way to actually retrieve the boat is not to gun it. So you're just going very slow to get the bow in front of the trailer where it has that V. So once that's in, the boat is somewhat held, then you just need to adjust the direction. So I'm just lining up real straight, then I have the boat latch. So the front is in, doesn't matter if I'm crooked, and the boat stays caught. So then I just turn my wheel and I just direct it. I've got all the time in the world to do this, and once I'm straight, make sure you've got the motor straight, and you just basically bring it up. And because I've got the latch, once I'm in, you will be able to hear the click. I just need to make sure that I just go straight and hear a click. Easy as that. Then I just hop out from the front. So that's a nice and easy way to actually get your boat back onto the trailer using the Launch and Retrieve Boat Latch. So get yourself one and don't get your feet wet.